What's up, guys? I'm Gage. Welcome back to another video. So today, I'm thinking about I should really clean my room because y'all want to see what my room looks like? Here's what my room looks like right now. It's a mess. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let me let me back up. Okay, so because I wanted to do this a long time ago when I first started my YouTube channel, like. I didn't post. I had my old channel for about a year and then I got rid of it. But there's a but. I'm finally doing it. Let me save and quit on my game. We'll get to this. Save. My brother's phone. iPhone 7 or 8. We're gonna be moving this chair out of the way so we can clean behind it. I don't know if I'm gonna show that part, but yeah, why not? Pumps off. Now, this is a wired cord. We're gonna go ahead and unplug it. So we gotta unplug it. It's a long cord. But this part right here can come out. Now it's yeah. And that is an LED power. That is an LED controller too. You can find it on Amazon. It works really good. It's a good controller. I'm not gonna have it linked down in the description. I've already forgot what it's called, but the water just dry out. Jeez. Okay. So I'm gonna set y'all up and see if. But this, I think part of this might be a time lapse, and part of it won't. But the first part won't. But I'll let y'all know when it's gonna be a time lapse. So yeah, why not? Right? I guess I don't know. Well, this can y'all see the floor? No, you can't. This is why I need a cameraman. Paige is sleeping. I don't have a cameraman, so we're going to find a better place to put this. I could set y'all up in the floor. You want to be set up in the floor? I don't know. Let's do it. Put y'all up against my laundry basket on the floor. Oh, don't mind under the bed. We're going to get to that. I don't know if y'all going to see my face. Probably not, but let's get to this. So, I'm going to start on this side of the room. Work my way over there so when I have time, I can move you guys. So, first is just folding up blankets, doing all the easy stuff before you gotta move furniture. And it is hot in here. It's my brother's blanket, so we're gonna lay it on his bed. I got a hamper, got LG's comforter. LG does not make his bed. I made a video so I can post tomorrow. Because I'm posting my night routine today. And it's almost done uploading. Yeah. Oh yeah, pants I wore yesterday. Now I think I'm gonna make this part time lapse, so hope y'all enjoyed the time lapse. See you in a little bit. Oh. Okay, so here's what I got so far. This side is looking a little better. There's my pile. I just got the sweeping. I'm on my hamster side. I'm working on this side. It's not bad, but it still needs to be done. You guys, look, there she is. This is why I need a cameraman. 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 This is why I I don't know if y'all can see her, but here's where we have her bedding, food, and the other stuff. The like little tunnels that used to go in the old cage, but it's not there no more. So I got stuff piled back here. We're gonna work on stuff right here. Stuff right here. We're gonna work on stuff right here, right there. We're not gonna do the closets today. That's gonna be a separate video, because yeah, we're not. We're also gonna work on my desk. My desk needs it. Yeah, needs it. But I'm gonna set y'all up where y'all can see me do the other side with my hamsters on. And yeah, see you then. Okay. That side's clean. I just needs to be swept. I'm not gonna show that part. But I'm gonna set y'all up right where y'all were. But yeah. Actually, since I'm doing over there on the stuff, I'm gonna dump that out to water. That's OJ's. Set y'all up right here. Let me know if y'all can see after I move the pillow. Body camera. Go my drawer. Alright, my desk drawer. Okay, yep. Guys, you know, I forgot to do time lapse. I will see y'all after time lapse. We'll be right back. Alright. It is done, guys. The floor is done. Here's what the floor looks like. I missed a few spots I'll get up later, but it's looking good. If y'all enjoyed, I hope y'all did, but smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and see y'all on the next one. Peace out.